protected type flange coupling. This coupling is a commonly and widely used coupling. It has two flanges. Observe the protective web projecting from the outer periphery of the flange. One of the flanges has a small cylindrical projection called the spigot, and another flange has a corresponding recess to accommodate it. The flanges are so assembled as to have the spigot located in the recess and give a perfect alignment. The shafts are fitted to the flanges using taper sound keys. And finally, the flanges are fastened by using bolts and nuts.